Hey guys, in this video, I will show you comparison between Zapier and Make, which automation tool is the best in 2025. Alright, let's begin. In 2025, the battle between Zapier and Make, formerly Integromat, continues to dominate the automation world. Both platforms are designed to streamline repetitive tasks by connecting different apps and services, but they take very different approaches in terms of interface, pricing, complexity, and flexibility. So, if you're trying to figure out which one is the better automation tool this year, here's an honest side by side comparison. Zapier is known for its simplicity and beginner friendly layout. You can set up automations called zaps without needing to write a single line of code. It supports thousands of popular apps like Gmail, Slack, Trello, Google Sheets, and many more. The real power of Zapier lies in its ease of use. You can get basic workflows up and running in minutes. It's perfect for entrepreneurs, marketers, and small teams who want fast results without diving into complex setups. Make, on the other hand, is far more visual and powerful when it comes to building complex workflows. Instead of simple step by step flows, Make uses a modular interface with branching logic, error handling, looping, and conditional paths. This gives you much more control over how data moves between apps. If you're a power user, data analyst, or developer, you'll appreciate how much you can customize your scenarios in Make. In terms of pricing, Zapier has a free plan with basic features, but limits you to single step apps and 100 tasks per month. Premium plans start to get pricey as you scale. Make's free plan is more generous in terms of operations and features, including multi-step scenarios and advanced logic. This makes Make the more cost-effective choice for complex workflows or larger volumes. Where Zapier shines is in its massive library of integrations and its polished user experience. It's fast, reliable, and easy to maintain. Make shines in situations where you need advanced workflows with branching logic and conditional steps. However, the learning curve for Make can be steep, especially if you're not used to automation platforms. So, in order to choose the best one in 2025, you have to follow these steps. Assess your technical skill level, the complexity of the workflows you need, and your budget. For simple automation, go with Zapier. For complex, scalable, and cost-effective automation, Make wins. Ultimately, both tools are powerful, but the best one depends on how deep you want to go into the world of automation. And that's it. So that's all for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.